It's a difficult decision for Myrti, who is now barely 15 years old, to take the stand. But after much hesitation and encouragement from her therapist, she made up her mind. Aged only 9 years old at the time, her world was shattered on that fateful day in July 2016. She lost her mother and her best friend.
I decided to testify only around a month and a half ago, and I wrote my testimony only recently. It was really difficult for me to express what I had to say. It was a very challenging exercise. For me, it's important to talk about the future. The most important thing is to look at what's next.
Myrti's father and lawyer helped her to prepare her testimony.
I was touched by what she said. It brought tears to my eyes. It was overwhelming, the maturity with which she spoke, her resilience and her focus on the future. It was all very moving. They have witnessed death so closely that it shattered their childhood.
15 children and teenagers were killed in the attack that took place on July 14th, 2016. Hundreds of others were injured or witnessed the attack.
We need to consider victims' lives as a puzzle that's been shattered. Through the hearings of the investigators, the experts and the witnesses, the trial will allow us to respond to a number of questions and to put the pieces back together so we can look towards the future with more serenity and more peace of mind.
In the vast majority of cases, these children are still struggling to cope. They carry trauma that threatens to resurface at any time. Often, their scars are difficult to see, hidden deep under the surface.